Let the election season begin. A few days before the official start of the campaign period, President Benigno Aquino III visits vote-rich Cavite and endorses his local and senatorial candidates. Aquino takes the opportunity to push for the Liberal Party and slam his opponents. Aquino's target, the Revilla clan. Senator Ramon Bong Revilla is being groomed by the Lakas CMD as its 2016 presidential bet. His son Jolo is running for vice governor against Aquino's candidate Jay Lacson. Aquino pokes fun at the amulet Bong Revilla wears, which allegedly brings him luck. Revilla, like his father before him, movie star and Senator Ramon Revilla Sr., became box office stars in a string of movies about a local hero who wears an amulet. That also came in handy when they entered politics.
Paalala lamang po, asahan na po ninyong may mga nagpapanggap at may mga nakikisakay, di umano sa ating krusada. May mga nakikisuot ng kulay dilaw, pero hindi tiyak kung anong kulay ang nasa loobin. Huwag po tayong umasa sa tsamba. O sa agimat o anting-anting.
Cavite has about 1.6 million voters, one of the highest in the country. Aquino topped the polls in Cavite in 2010, garnering about 500,000 votes. He harnesses his influence in the province, urging them to vote for his gubernatorial bet. Former governor and incumbent Cavite 3rd District Representative Erineo Ayong Maliksi. Aquino says his candidates are the only ones he trusts will continue his reforms.
Simple lang naman po ang inyong pagpipilian. Sa isang ruta, ang landas kung saan pansariling kapakanan ng mga opisyal ang nanguhuna, habang naiiwang nakalugmok sa kahirapan at kawalang pag-asa ang buong Cavite. Sa kabilang ruta naman ay ang tuwid na daan kung saan walang pag-aalinlangan naglilingkod ang inyong mga pinuno.
Also in Cavite with Aquino are his senatorial candidates, his cousin Bam Aquino and former Akbayan Party representative Risa Hontiveros. The two lag behind in ratings and they need the exposure with the president.
Kailangan po yung trabaho dito mismo sa Cavite, dito mismo sa ating probinsya.
Para sa akin po, nais kong ipagpatuloy ang laban natin para sa kalusugan.
It's an LP event turned political rally. Traditionally, a province's support for a national leader does not translate to votes of the same party in the local level. This is why Aquino draws clear lines between his camp and the opponents, a strategy he hopes will work in the hotly contested province of Cavite. Natasha Gutierrez, Rappler, Cavite.